Imagine spending weeks writing blog posts, you submit them to Google. Google even indexes your pages, but your traffic looks like this, almost no clicks. If you have been wondering why your website isn't getting Google traffic, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you the 7 biggest reasons your website gets little or no Google traffic, and more importantly, how to fix every one of them. Welcome to TrendMake, where I help you build websites, grow traffic, use AI effectively, and create income online. Let's get started. The first reason is targeting keywords that are simply too competitive. Thinking of it like opening a brand new restaurant right beside the busiest restaurant in your city. That's what happens when a new website tries to rank for keywords dominated by huge websites, instead of focusing on specific long-tail keywords where you actually have a chance to compete. The second reason is that you are creating content people are not actually searching for. Many beginners write articles they think are interesting instead of answering questions people are already asking on Google. Before you write your next article, spend a few minutes researching what your audience is searching for. If nobody is searching for a topic, it's much harder to get organic traffic. The third reason is weak titles. Your titles is the first thing people see in Google search results. If it doesn't grab attention or clearly explain what the page is about, fewer people will click on it. A good title should be clear, specific, and promise a helpful answer. The fourth reason is that your website covers too many unrelated topics. Google tends to trust websites that consistently publish helpful content around a specific subject. For example, if your website is about blogging and SEO, keep creating content in those areas instead of jumping from recipes to football to technology. When you build a topical authority, Google better understands what your website is about. The fifth reason is impatience. Many new bloggers expect Google traffic within a few days or weeks, but that's rarely how SEO works. It often takes time for Google to grow, understand and evaluate your content. Keep publishing helpful articles consistently, improve them over time, and be patient. The sixth reason is ignoring Google Search Console. Search Console tells you how people find your website, which pages are getting impressions, and which keywords you are already ranking for. Instead of guessing what to write next, use that data to improve existing content and create more articles around topics Google is already showing your website. The final reason is creating content that doesn't fully answer the reader's question. Google wants to rank pages that provide the most helpful answer to a search. Instead of writing longer articles, focus on writing better ones. Ask yourself one question: if I searched for this topic, would this article answer everything I wanted to know? If the answer is yes, you are on the right track. So if your website isn't getting Google traffic, don't assume your blog has failed. In most cases, fixing a few key mistakes can make a big difference over time. Focus on helping your audience, stay consistent, and keep improving with every article you publish. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to TrendMake for more practical tips on website, SEO, AI, and making money online. In the next video, we will look at how to get Google AdSense approval and avoid the mistakes that cause so many applications to be rejected. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.